Hi, Adam Oakes here with the Planet Managed Services team, and this is your play of the week. The play of the week this week, I wanted to visit something on the roadmap that has been listed a time or two before, but there was a more specific clause, and it's something that I think is kind of important. What I'm actually talking about is there was a entry in the roadmap this week that talked about Microsoft Copilot Chat becoming available through the basic Office 365 apps for various different Office 365 environments. If you actually go through and look at the roadmap as I did this morning and search for Copilot Chat, you come up with over 170 different entries inside of the roadmap. Specifically in development, there's over 90. Now, I'm sure this search got some of the Copilot things as well too, but a lot of them were specific to Copilot Chat and the features coming in. This is an interesting one for me as an admin. I actually really like Copilot. I use it personally in my own work. I think that there's a lot of good things that it can do for you. It helps me refine my writing style when I'm putting together things like statements of work or working on RFPs. It also sometimes helps me find information that I'm having a hard time locate that I know it's been shared with me before. Copilot Chat is basically an easy way to get access to this. Whether you have agents that are created or you just want to talk to Copilot and get an idea of what you need to do, the best way to do this, just like many large language models, is by going through and interacting it with a chat, asking questions, refining your search. Well, Copilot Chat, like I said, is going to be coming to the M365 apps basically across the board. I found entries for commercial, for GCC, for GCC High, and for the DoD clouds. It's something that I'm very excited that our customers inside the government space are getting the new developments, and it's interesting to see them all listed. Now, some of them were as early as December of this year, which is only a month away, and others went to January of next year. So the updates are really not that far off. Again, this is something I'm a little bit iffy on as an admin. There are times that organizations are just not ready for new features. Now, I'm sure in typical Microsoft fashion, they will give you the enterprise grade tooling and controls to handle how you want to deploy this at an admin level and at a tenant level with what you want to do. But I can at least tell you guys from my side, I've had a lot of value from Copilot Chat. It's something that I do almost every day and something that I really think does add value. So again, super happy to see this continuing to be developed inside of the government clouds and something I'm excited for our customers to get their hands on. This has been the play of the week. I hope you have a great day.